So I feel like as a magnet hospital, the whole term needs to like draw in nurses. So they're always developing new initiatives to kind of support their nurses. I feel like that's really evident here at the Miriam. I think that was the biggest thing that drew me in was they always are setting up workshops, continuing education and classes to make sure that your skills are constantly being developed. There's just so many things they offer here for career development as well. I mean, there's a ton of opportunities to get involved. In general, they're very supportive. I started here part-time and I was actually going to be evening shifts. I was going to be 3 to 11 and I had a change of plans with school and I realized I could actually work longer. So they were able to transition me to full-time. I feel like for a new grad, that's pretty rare, but I think that was one of the biggest things is that they're just so willing to like be flexible with your schedule and to support you with what you need to continue to like flourish as a nurse. I feel like they're always there to help with that.